guys, welcome to McMurtry.
We're so excited to have you here in August.
We're your 2025 O-Week coordinators. My name is Yasmin Miles, call me Yaz. I'm a sports medicine and exercise physiology major, and I'm minoring in global health technologies. Now, I'm a rising junior as well.
Hi y'all, my name is Kara Brown, and I'm a rising junior studying chemistry and art history.
My name is Carlos Cruz. I'm also a rising junior, and I'm majoring in biosciences and minoring in religion.
Currently, we're on the 5th floor of McMurtry, the balcony. It's a great place to hang out, a great place to chill, and that it's so beautiful. Also, a fabulous view in the background.
And now we're going to take you downstairs to the 4th floor so we can look at a McMurtry double room.
Let's go. Oh, didn't see you there. Come with me to tour of McMurtry double. So, here's our room. This is a very standard McMurtry double. And if you're a new student, there's a 99% chance that you're going to be living in a room like this. This is our living space. Say hi to Yas, say hi to Kara.
Hi, you guys.
And first, I'll show you our bathroom. So every bathroom comes with one sink, one toilet, your own shower, and a trash can. And there's toilet paper which can be refreshed down the hall. And your trash does not get taken out for you, but your bathrooms are cleaned once a month. Now let's look at the closet with Kara.
Hi guys! So your closet space is something that you'll share with your roommate, and you have a shared set of cubbies as well as hanging space for both you and your roommate. Each of these closet racks and the subsequent cubbies are 26 inches by 18 inches if you want to bring anything like a laundry hamper or a shoe rack. And like Carlos mentioned, you'll each have your own trash can and a shared recycling bin with trash bags and recycling bags that you can find down the hall.
Didn't see you there. What? Hi, you guys. This is a standard room at McMurtry. So on one side you have the lights. Each side has their own outlets. Each room is given a twin XL that's 86 inches by 38 inches. Super comfortable. Come over here with me. This is the dresser that you're given. It's 24 inches by 29 inches. Lots of room. There's 3 of them. You have a desk that comes with a chair. You also have a small dresser which can be moved anywhere. I moved mine by the side of my bed. Kind of cute. This small dresser is 24 inches by 17. As you can notice, this bed is a little lower and super easy to get into. But if you're like, wait, yes, I'm gonna loft my bed. Boy, I have a proposition for you. These beds loft. So comfortable, so cute. So you can have it high, you can have it low. It's definitely up to you. The total living space is 12 feet by 18 feet, so lots of room to have friends over, lots of room to not have friends over. Up to you, definitely. But if you take a little gander at the full room.
Thank you guys so much for coming on this tour today with us. Kara, Yaz, and I are so excited to welcome you during O-Week in August, so be sure to pack your bags and get ready for O-Week. See you later. Come on, you guys.
We're walking the wrong direction. Wrong. Wait.